Now is the time to make the project report ready. You have the bits and pieces from here and there. You have done certain things already, maybe written something, and you have some notes, you have the things. But now it's the time to sit down and work. And actually that will be hard work, which you are doing a lot of yourself. But before you go hard into doing it, a few things. First of all, there is a downloadable example, simplified example, just so you get the idea. See it, go through it, take notice from it, but develop it something which is suitable for you. Then try also, if possible, to get hold of other project reports, maybe from the area where you are going to be active. Maybe even if it's not from your area, from the same type of business you're going to have. And so you can learn from them. But you will find reports are very different. A few people will just write one page, which is not enough if you do it properly, of course. And others, they will have 500 pages. So it depends, but I don't say you should do 500 if you're doing a small project. But maybe 10, 15, 20 pages will be optimal if you are doing a small thing, because if you have going through, like we have done during this course, going through everything, and you should have made the most important aspects, then it might be something like that, 10, 15, 20 pages, including the budget and so on. You will have attachments there, of course, which the sample which you can download is mentioning attachments, but they are not there. But you will understand yourself how it works. Then you finish the report. Your report, that's a big issue. When you have done it and feel ready, then you should show it to some people, one or at least one who understand these things, or maybe some others also. Show the report to them, let them read it, let them comment it, and based on the comments maybe you need to make some changes so you get it optimal. And there might be things you haven't thought of. But if it is people that are used to business and so, sometimes they are also business advisors or chartered accountants or whatever it could be there who can know things. But the most important is that you yourself is happy with it, but still to get eyes from outside is always a plus. And if you are a group who are doing a project, of course, that helps a lot that you are more than one who is reading it, and together you can go through it. And just a word, if you show it to outside, it's good to have some kind of non-disclosure agreement, a simple one at least. Don't make it too complicated, but that whatever you are showing them, your business idea, and so that they will not disclose to others, unless it is a totally open project, like maybe a cafeteria, doesn't matter, because you're not doing anything strange there. But if it is something that's a bit more secret, you have a new invention, then definitely you should have, or you have a new concept that maybe that also need to be protected. So then you should have a non-disclosure agreement with those you are showing it to, so you are more protected. One more thing about the project report. When you have the text ready, you also can add illustrations and drawings and other material that makes it look nice. I talked about it before, but don't forget it. On our webpage, you are finding the questions that are related to this film. So go to our webpage to see the questions you should answer.